It's on. Hold the thing up. Good afternoon, YouTube. Here we are, Saturday afternoon. We're going to install our Italian bees in hive number 2. I just picked them up this morning. I pulled 5 frames out of the middle. 4 frames. We're pretty much just going to dump them in. First thing I do is pull the can out. This. I'm going to take this can out. You want to cover this up. Our sugar syrup, there's some bees on it. Knock them guys off. I'm going to use that syrup to pour back into the feeder when I'm done here. So, okay, I'm going to use this. Pull the queen out. Okay, hold on. We're going to tap these bees down. Ready? Watch out. 1, 2, 3. Tap them down. Take the queen out. She's in there. She's alive.
Can I see the queen?
I don't know if you can see it or not, but she's in there. She's alive. Can I see it on the camera here? She's in there. Hold on to her. Come back here. All right, bring it back here. I'm going to tap this down. I'm going to put my gloves on first, I guess. Hold on, and my hood.
They're angry. It's not going to be fun.
Just to be safe, I better put this on.
I might want to zip it up too so none of them get in there. Okay.
All the way around here. Step back on the side. Just to be safe, I'm going to put the gloves on. They might be a little irritated.
Probably. I've been like touching them.
And obviously I'm not going to spray them because it's too cold. If it was really warm out, you could spray some sugar water on them. That would kind of slow them down just a little bit. That would slow them down just a little bit and give them something to lick themselves and get a little bit of sugar in them. Okay, one more time. Take that off.
I'll be back here. Holy crap, that's a lot of bees. Don't crush any of them. That is a lot of freaking bees.
Take them out.
They're swarming.
I bet they're happy to be out of this cage. We're going to take the box and put it in front of the hive. So any bees that can come out will go right in here.
Okay,
We'll put them there. We're going to slowly put the frames back in. Real slow. I don't want to crush anybody. Frames in.
All right.
Hive tool.
Oh, one's on
Okay,
my
next
arm.
thing we got to do is get the queen.
Oh, look, it's on me. It's on me. Okay.
Put the pollen patty in. A little bit of the paper's already torn, so I'm going to put it right here. I'll give me the queen, Skyler. I'm going to take the cork out. Hopefully this time not push the cork in like I did last time.
That's going to be difficult. It's like sideways. Oh, look, they're on my arm. They're covering me. Oh, this is great. Why are you doing this with no gloves, crazy? Come to me. They're covering me.
Okay, I got the marshmallow. I put the marshmallow end in. I'm going to hang her inside. I'm going to put her in between 2 frames here.
Please leave my pants. Okay, we're good.
Hold on, it's not in yet.
Wait, where?
Turn it sideways. Got her in between two frames. We should be good. He's in there. The cork is out. I wish that would stay on there a little bit better. For about 3 days.
You haven't stung yet?
I'm going to put this up there. I'm going to put it right in there.
You get stung yet?
No. No, they're not bothering me. They're on me, but I'm just kind of ignoring it. Now they can see her.
Oh, I thought you killed it.
All right, the queen's in. They can get to the cage. Actually, I think I'm going to put this sideways. Oh, it's probably good that way. Pollen patty's on. You can see the bees are already going to the pollen patty. All right, we're gonna put the top feeder on. Carefully so I don't smash anybody. All right, pollen's in, the queen's in, the cork, the
Now we need a
marshmallows
sugar
in. All I
water.
gotta do is put the sugar syrup in.
They're covering me.
Nice thing about this Hive top feeder, I got about 2 gallons in here. I'm not going to fill it all the way. I'm going to fill it part way. I've got it filled about half, about 3/4 of the way on both sides. There's enough sugar water in there now for them. Put the lid back on, and I think we're good. There's no bees in there. I think we're good. Oh, I forgot to put, hold on. They drank about 3/4 of this can of this too, so I'm going to put the rest of this in there. We'll hold that.
Oh, there's a bee on it.
Let's just go ahead and dump that in. Get off to the side. Go ahead and dump that in. No sense in wasting it. Alright. There you go. That's it. So they're installed. Sugar water. I think we're good. I'll come back in 3 days and I'll check it. Make sure the queen is released. In this hive here, I'll come back next Thursday. It's Saturday afternoon. I'm going to pull some frames, see how that one's doing. But in this one here, the Italians are in. I'll come back, Tuesday afternoon. Make sure the queen is out, and hopefully everybody's doing good. So until next time, YouTube, like I said, subscribe. Hit the like button if you like it. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. I'm fine with that. I'd appreciate the thumbs up. Questions, comments, let me know. I'll talk to you next time. We'll see you. Bye.